Okay, I know the title of this video seems like plain clickbait, but let me explain why I think this is very likely to happen. About 1 month ago, Dota 2 announced its next major, aka the International. It is supposed to happen between the dates of 5 and 15 August. Though today we got some huge news about the fact that the Minister of Interior in Sweden failed to recognize the International Dota 2 Championships as an elite sporting event, meaning that anyone trying to get a visa to travel into Sweden for TI10, including players, talent and staff, would be denied. Valve contested this decision on June 9 and June 14, both times it got denied. And then Valve says that they feel confident that they will find a solution that allows them to hold TI10 in Europe this year. So they don't want to cancel it, but they do want to relocate. As you know, the CSGO Major is supposed to happen 2.5 months after the Dota International. They're planning to hold it also in Stockholm. And unless they get permission to hold this event in that time, then this event will probably have to be relocated as well. I'm sure Valve is gonna say something if this were to happen, so let's just wait for their response. If you wanna read this entire blog post, you can find it down in the description or just pause the video. Let me know what you think of this. Is this proof enough to think that the CSGO Major is not going to happen in Sweden, but instead somewhere else? And yeah, thank you for watching, have a nice rest of the day, bye bye.